Fireworks have begun.
Ew.
Getting more what?
Firecrackers.
No. Maybe later.
For nighttime.
We're here on Independence Day 2016. This is Sophia, and that's Bronson. And over there is Baron. Part of the crew. We're getting ready to watch some fireworks. Our neighbor down the road does a awesome fireworks show every year on the 4th of July. And puts on a better show than any city or town I've ever seen.
Keep my prize. Get away, get away. I got my Freddy Fazbear toys.
Well, then why were you still chasing him?
Because I wanted to scare him.
Hey!
Now I'm brown and white. From
Wow.
found some quartz in a cave. No. You wanna go, lady? Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day, all you people!
Gonna grill up some bratwurst here on the Traeger for Independence Day. Get that started. Make sure we got plenty of pellets in there. Got some smoke starting to roll out of the Traeger. So let that sit in smoke mode for just about another minute or so. Once that smoke burns off, we'll close the lid and bring it up to temperature for the bratwurst. Okay, got a couple different flavors here. These ones have blue cheese inside of them. For a little bit and get yummy. Time to turn these bad boys. Looking good. What's today?
Independence Day?
Right. We don't say 4th of July, right? I think it makes people forget what it's all about, which is our independence and the fact that we live in the best country in the world and we have absolute freedom. Well, not absolute, but as close as it gets. There's a lot of things that are messed up about this country, but all in all, there isn't a better place in the world to live. And I am very happy that I'm here. I'm happy that my family's here.
Woo-wee! Look at them sausages! Woo! Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
And people ask me if I'm embarrassed.
Hey, those look good. Am I wrong? Ava! Ava! Ava!
Ava!
Hey! Are you gonna have some sausage? Huh? You just hanging out playing with your toys? All right.
Oh, eat it.
Whoa! Sausage on a stick. How is it? This is kind of sacrilegious on a bratwurst, but I've got ketchup and regular mustard on there. But I also use some Hefeweizen barbecue sauce from Adam's Rib, our local barbecue place. That's just phenomenal. It's really good. Awesome. Hey. You gonna eat your sausage?
Cookie.
Are you gonna eat it?
Ducky? Your cookie.
Right here. Did you try it?
At
All right.
first she was like, whoa.
I'm gonna eat it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You can have it. Go ahead, take a
She
bite.
doesn't know how to eat it. She's confused.
Take a bite. How can she be confused?
It's on its
It's meat.
stick.
It's meat on a stick.
Stick man. Stick man? Mm-hmm.
Eat it. Huh?
Hot. Eat it. Look. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
You have to eat it now. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, eat it now.
Cheers or on guard. There you go. Take a bite. Yay!
Good job. Is it numbers? Yeah. Good girl.
Want another one? There's another one inside.
Not moving up. That was good. Eat it again? Good. Girl. Big bite.
Good job.
No, it's your turn. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, you eat it now. Oh. Your turn. Do you like it?
Yummy.
Is it really, really good?
It's pretty good. Really good.
She's like, oh, I've never tried something so good. Hey guys, we're going to go see the goats right now. So yeah. They're somewhere around here. You stepped in to Pokies. You're not allergic to grass. We're trying to look for the goats. They're really hard to find in this cage. Also, look how pretty that is. Full 360, but it's really pretty out. And we are looking for the goats. They're somewhere around here. They're really hard to find, so I'm sorry, but we will find them. Maybe they're over here, and they're like little next to their little pen. Nope. Where are they? Where are they? I'm looking for them right now.
Still going. I think we're getting pretty close to the finale here.
Could you pull this stuff?
No.
Oh,